drugs, we hit 'em, but it's really not enough. You hit the drums and I'll strum along. It's so much fun, the simpler the better, simple songs. No, we don't need a keyboard, we don't need computer drums. You hit the drums and I'll strum along. And if you slow down, I will slow down to be with you. And if you speed up, I will speed to catch you. Drum and a snare is all we need. Guitar and amp, a singer and a little bit of weed. You hit the drums and I'll strum along. When it's free, I think that it's the best that it can be. Nobody there to listen, it is only you and me. You got the drums and the drums. And if you slow down, I will slow down to be with you. And if you speed up, I will speed up to catch you. Drums and I'll strum along. You hit the drums.